This is Abdul Rahman Raihan, but you can call me Raihan because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on conversation, so let's get started. This is Radia and this is Sadia. Radia, can I talk to you? Sadia, yes, you can. Radia, can I talk to you? Sadia, no, you cannot. Radia, thank you. Sadia, so nice of you. Radia, may I talk to you? Sadia, yes, you may. Radia, may I talk to you? Sadia, no, you may not. Radia, thank you. Sadia, so nice of you. Well, that's all about my presentation. Hope you like my presentation. Next time I will be back another presentation. Till then,